There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl. Hey, what's up everybody? What's up divas? What's up divos? Welcome back to my channel. Girl, this is about to be the best of the best of the best videos I did all day. When I tell you, I'm glad that I'm on video number 3. That's the ending for me. You already know they be coming through with the best of the best of the best. Say less, RPG show. And first of all, before we even jump into all of this, let me just say happy anniversary to RPG Show. RPG Show has definitely been around for a while, serving all of the looks, baby. When I tell you RPG Show has the best lace fronts ever, then they have the best lace fronts ever. And it is my pleasure to say happy anniversary to RPG Show. I've worked with them for many, many years, so it's always a pleasure to get a unit from them. These are the units that you already know are going to come perfect. Like when I say perfect, girl, I'm talking about perfect, butter, melted, everything you need in one wig. Okay. One wig. So one thing that me and RPG Show do definitely share in common is June 19th. Now, this is their anniversary as well as it's my birthday. So I'm always honored to rock a new unit on anniversary, on Juneteenth, on April's birthday, all of that, all the goodness in one day. You know what I'm saying? Like, how could you take that much fun and goodness in one day? Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm goodness. I'm definitely goodness. Okay. So I got this wig like 2-3 weeks ago. By the time you're watching this video, it'll probably be like 3 weeks ago. And I was really wanting to wait to cut the lace on camera with you guys and just show you guys what it looked like just without the lace cut. But I'm pretty sure you guys are already aware of how to cut lace. RPG Show has the best of the best of the best hairlines and lace ever. Now, first of all, there are so many things about this wig that I need to mention. For one, this is Yaki textured hair, 18 inches. RPG Show and their sister company, My First Wigs, always has the best Yaki texture hair. It's always in stock. You don't have to have it customized, but it also gives a realistic, natural look. The highlight in this unit is absolutely gorgeous. If you see, look at those browns. This is given like number 33. Very nicely done. It comes pre-styled. It comes pre-bleached. It just comes perfect. This is their new hairline. This is the hairline with the M shape. I'll definitely link everything down below for you ladies, but I wore this. I absolutely love it. It comes with its elastic band, which is removable. It also does come with a melting band, but this unit does have the adjustable straps. It does come with the combs. It is a 13x6 Yaki Straight hair, 200% in density. It's a Swiss transparent tinted lace. Y'all, listen, happy anniversary to RPG Show. They are really definitely serving up looks, baby. When I tell you they are serving looks, they are saving edges, they are saving hair disasters, they are saving, okay? Let's just get into this video. I'm gonna show you guys what your unit comes with.
I need you back. I need you back. We gotta ride away, but you running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? Baby, just come home tonight. Beat this pussy up all night, all night. We gotta ride away, but you running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? Baby, just come home tonight. Beat this pussy up all night, all night. I am B for vibe, moving to my light. I attract what's mine on that QGTM type of time now. I'm not sorry, this nigga drove a Rari. Big energy, his bling was really blinding. The niggas be my type, scheme with him all through the night. He hits me up and get me paid and then we catch a flight. From time to time, I know it's wrong but it feels so right. I know that it feels so right. What's done is done, the devil steady testing me. Tease me gently like expensive trees, like it's your expertise. Touched by V, you know it's blessed. And baby, I need you. We gotta ride away, but you running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? Baby, just come home tonight. Beat this pussy up all night, all night. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? Baby, just come home to me. Eat this pussy up all night, all night. I need you back. You give me peace of mind, with you I never lack. I want you back. You hold it down just like the piece that's on your back. We argue, we fuck. We argue, that's love. Them petty games that you play put you through the same thing. Beat this pussy up. Them petty games that you play put you through the same thing. Right away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? Baby, just come home to me. Beat this pussy up all night, all night. I need you back. I need you back. Don't deny that I could use some company. All my friends say, honey, just let him be. Now your perfume stuck on my shirt, and there's an empty left in my bed. I don't know about you, I'd put you first. I bought some new flowers, they're all dead. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time. Your time, oh, time. I need your time. 365, 24/7, I'll be fine. As long as you spend a little time. Just want your time. Make me feel like we could be something more. The way your light shines, there's no shadows anymore. Then you put doubts and doubts and doubts in my mind. Still, you make me feel like we could be something more, something more. First you are in, then you are out, like snow in the spring. I just want your time. I just want your time, oh, time.
Y'all cannot tell me this wig is not fire. You ever put on a wig and it just makes you feel really, really pretty? You don't got no issues. You already know it's going to work out. Girl, you could put it on and go out the door. This is what this wig is giving. Glamorous, cute, fancy, beautiful, happy, feeling good about yourself. Girl, listen, if you sad, you go put on an RPGSHOW wig, and I guarantee you, you feel real good about yourself. Now, let me tell you, this wig is absolutely gorgeous. It's 18 inches, and it's still extra, like, long. A lot of companies do not give 18 inches like this. 18 inches is really, like, on the shoulder for some people. But listen, the waves or the curls stayed in this unit for days. When I tell you I love this unit, I love this unit. I love every unit by RPGSHOW. Like, seriously. Like, they have very good quality units. They have very nice units. Affordable. Girl, listen. You can even go to, like, I think it's called Afterpay or Klarna with their website, and you can do 4 payments if you cannot buy the wig at the time. It's always nice to treat yourself. Girl, listen, treat yourself, okay? Get you a wig from RPGSHOW. It's their anniversary. It's their anniversary. Yeah, I don't really want to sing that because my vocals are a little dry today. You know, I haven't been really drinking water like I should. I'm telling you, this wig is so effing cute. The hairline has been changed. Look at that. Look at that. Do y'all see that? Look how natural this looks. I do have the wig on a little tight right here. That's why it seems like it's a line, but it's because I got the wig on tight. Girl, beautiful. This unit is layered. The highlights in it are gorgeous. A birthday unit. Definitely an anniversary unit. Make sure you say happy anniversary to RPGSHOW. If you have not yet got you a unit from them, get one for this 2025, girl. I guarantee you, you will definitely thank me later, but you'll be looking cute while you do. On that note, I love you all. Stay diva and divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe if you like this video, and leave your comments, and I will see y'all in the comments and in the next video.